Greetings, gardeners. It is a big, exciting day here in Bill's nursery in Hawaii. Not only has the rain stopped after an entire week, I mean, we got so much rain. One day we even had 3¾ inches. And the sun's coming out over here. It's not quite blinding me yet, so I don't need my sunglasses, but there's blue sky above. It is so exciting. But that's not the big news. The big news is the Green Garden Guy has finally put up a sales page for y'all. I want to thank everybody who's watched my videos over the years and then contacted me through YouTube going, "Hey Bill, have you got any seeds for sale?" And sure, I'll get back to you through the email, and all that, and the whole messy process. We simplified it. We now have a website. The website has the seeds posted that are for sale with videos and descriptions and pictures, in some cases pictures, and we have the prices. It will automatically go ahead and tabulate your cart just like shopping at Amazon and so on and so forth. And so it's an automated sales page. If you go to greengardenservice.net, you'll end up on my old landscape pages that I used to use in California, and on the side there is a link that says sales page. Hit the sales page, it comes up. Yeah, you got it. Like I say, it's got a shopping cart to push around. It adds everything up, and so it's pretty slick. We got to thank Hugh Danaher over there in Fremont, California, or Niles, actually, California, for having done this. Hugh's been my webmaster for many years, and between him and I, we finally got this thing worked out. It's only beginning. Right now, all I'm posting is seed. Okay, and so the seeds will be up there, and as I get new seeds and so on, I'll put them up. There'll be a whole lot more stuff available, but as you know, these tropical seeds, they're really only available in short windows because they can't be dried. And so a lot of the stuff will show up for a few months and then disappear and then show up later and so on. Some stuff will be there constantly. It's going to come and go, so you keep your eyes on it. Otherwise, I do have a page that's all set up for the sales of plants, too. I haven't got everything on it yet. I'm still kind of working on that part, but I will have a page for local people here in Hawaii to be able to go in and look and see what does Bill have in the nursery and what's it going to cost me. And so I'll be posting all of that soon. That page, unfortunately, will not be for mainland customers because the difficulty in trying to get this stuff through the ag department to send it there just makes it cost prohibitive for me. But I will be distributing the stuff locally, and you can either just look at it to see what I got and then drop in and pick it up, or you can have me send it to you. Prices, of course, will be higher when I have to send them to you. That's just the way it goes. And eventually there will also be a wholesale sales page for you folks out there who might want to do business with me at a wholesale level of 100 plants or more. I will be shipping to the mainland, but only in quantities of 100 plants or more. Just got to do it that way. For me, just to send one plant is a 40-mile round trip to get the ag department to inspect it before I can put it to the post office. Obviously, if you're buying one $10 tree from me making a 40-mile round trip to send it isn't going to make any sense, and so I'm just not going to be doing that. There you have it. The sun is now coming out. It's shining on us here in Hawaii, and the Green Garden Guy's sales page has opened to the public. Have at it, folks. Enjoy. Hang loose.